So sum of digits of a 5-digit number. The submission got 15 points. So we'll try the next challenge now. And this challenge is in bitwise operators. So bitwise AND, OR, exclusive OR, complement, left shift and right shift. So you can refer bitwise operators in C in my videos. I explain clearly along with all the examples. So how AND works: if both are 1, then the resultant is 1 in case of AND. What about OR? If any one is 1 and the resultant is 1 in case of OR. What is the difference between exclusive OR and OR? The only difference is in exclusive OR, if both ones, then the resultant is 0. So 3 and 5 in binary, how many digits? Look at number of zeros. It is 1 1. 1 1 is 3. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. How many digits? Check it out. 4 4 8 digits. So convert a 5 into binary. It is 1 0 1 preceded by 5 zeros. So how AND works? If both are 1, the resultant is 1. In case of OR, if any one is 1, the resultant is 1. Look at the explanation part of the task. N is equal to 5 and K is equal to 4. All the possible values of A and B. So 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 3 4, 3 5 and 4 5. And look at the resultant. A and B, A R B and A exclusive R B. So we have N is 5 and K is 4. All the possible values of A and B. Look at line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is 1, B 2, A1, B3. That is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 4, 3, 5 and 4, 5. So for all these combinations, possible combinations, and are exclusive OR. So what you are supposed to print here? The maximum possible value of A and B. Look at A and B. What is the maximum possible value of A and B? That is also less than K. What is K here? 4. Less than K is 2. So we print 2 on first line. I repeat. So what is the maximum possibility of A and B, and which is also less than K, and the maximum possible value less than K is 2. So we print 2 on first line. The maximum possible value of A or B, that is also less than K, is 3. So we print 3 on second line. The maximum possible value of A exclusive or B, which is less than K, is 3. So we print 3 on the third line. So is the task clear now? So sample input 5 and 4 and sample output is 2, 3, 3. So look at the code. What is the function name? Calculate the maximum. Line number 7, function definition with 2 parameters N and K. So line number 10, 12 and 13. So directly we use the logic in printf statement. K minus 1 or K less than or equal to N. If it is true, print K minus 1, else print K minus 2 using conditional operator, question mark, ternary operator. Second printf, K minus 1 and K minus 2 is equal to 0, true. Then if it is K is 3, true, 0, else K minus 2. If first one is not false, not true, K minus 1. So look at the example what we discussed earlier and try to apply this in that it works. So line number 21 is your function call with 2 parameters N and K. So you run the code. So you have passed the sample test cases. You need to click the submit button. So your submission got 15 points, and you can try the next challenge.